Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the stickers in your Inshot app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Inshot, and I'm going to open this. And after opening this, as you can see, has the option for the video. So we have to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, now simply we have to click on the new. And after clicking on the new, we need to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, so we have to click on the right. So as you can see, after choosing the video, simply what we have to do, we have to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, here's the option for the text. So we have to click on the text, and after clicking on the text, as you can see, the first option is sticker. So we have to click on the first option, sticker. And after clicking on the sticker, as you can see, different type of stickers are provided here. Now you have to choose that which sticker you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to place this one here, and I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to place this one here. So as you can see, now these both stickers are provided here and added here. Now simply we have to hit the right. As you can see, now if you want to increase the duration of the sticker, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this, and you can increase this. Or if you want to increase the duration of this one as well, so you have to click on this, and you need to drag this, and as you can see, the duration is increased. So in this way you can add a sticker in your video in Inshot app and increase the duration as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add a sticker in your video in Inshot app. So see you guys in the next video.